Hi guys, today we'll learn how to post service tax entries and TDS entries in Tally. Before that, we'll discuss about TDS. TDS, tax deducted at sources. There are two types of parties involved in TDS. They are deductor is a service receiver and it has to pay payment to vendor, service provider. See obligations of deductee. Every deductee shall furnish his pawn to the deductor and both shall indicate the same in the correspondence bills, vouchers and other documents which are sent to each other. The deductee has to submit his pawn number because while filing of TDS we have to mention deductee pawn number. So based on that we can provide him form 16A. And if pawn is not furnished, then TDS will deduct it at higher rate of 20%. If deductee who are providing service is not providing pawn number, then TDS will be deducted at 20%. These are quarterly ETDS filing due dates. Here 30th June is the first quarter, so we have to file 15th July of the particular financial year, and 30th September is the second quarter end, and 15th October we have to file before 15th October, and March 15th January, and 31st March 15th May. Before 15th May we have to file ETDS fourth quarter, and due date for payment of March TDS is 31st March. Every month we have to pay TDS before 7th of every month. If we deduct this month, the next month before 7th we have to pay. For especially for March month, we have to pay for March month the before 31st March. And if we'll delay, for example, if we not paid before March, interest will applicable 1.5 per month. 1.5% per month, per annum 18% under section 201A. And some of we'll see some of sections and nature of payment, their cutoff amount and rate. 192 for salaries, okay, and 194A TDS on interest by bank if exceed 10,000. This is the cutoff value for annum, cutoff value this one. If the value is less than 10,000, we need not to deduct any TDS. Here individual 10%, other include companies, firms and all. TDS on interest by others 5,000. If exceed 5,000, we have to deduct 10%. For example, if the interest value is 10,000, we have to deduct 10% on that. 1,000 rupees we have to pay government. And TDS and contracts is the limit. If exceed this we have to deduct for individual, and this is for others. And TDS on insurance commission 20,000. If exceed that, we have to deduct this much. And commission, these are the sections. While paying, we have to mention this section. And and next 194I TDS on rent on land and buildings 1,80,000 for annum. If we have to deduct monthly, so if exceed 15,000 for a month, we have to deduct this much. TDS and rent of furniture, plant and machinery and equipments and other furnitures. This is also same. If exceed 15,000 monthly, we have to deduct 2%, 2%. TDS and professionals. These are the sections. These are the sections. And TDS and professional 30,000. If exceed 30,000, we have to deduct 10%. Okay, and no TDS and goods transport. We don't want to deduct any TDS on transportation charges. Returns in prescribed forms. Form 24Q for salaries. This this format help us to file monthly, sorry, quarterly ETDS filing. This is only for salaries, and we can use 26Q for non-salaries quarterly return filing, ETDS quarterly return filing. Okay, thank you for watching this video.